Yo, y'all, look at this gold piece. This is my first time seeing one in person. Look at the sparkle in that paint. Can we get Mona to shoot some flames for us? Dang. Oh yeah, that's a shot right there. Y'all comment down below which you like more. You like the older one, the older style, or you like the newer style? It hasn't been all peaches and cream when it comes to owning this bike. Oh man, oh my goodness, the BMW is so good. Holy cow. Like, you shift mid-corner and this thing, it does not upset the bike at all. Like, you can't even tell that you shift. With most other bikes, you feel it a little bit, but this thing is, you know you built a good bike when people's biggest complaints is that the bike is too perfect, so it has no personality. Oh man, BMW, man, I gotta give it to y'all, bro. Hold on, let me put the cruise control on so I don't slow traffic down behind me. There we go, BMW, good job. Knocked it out of the park, man. Man, look at this sexy beast of a bike, man. We gotta get it out in the light so y'all can really appreciate the carbon on this thing, but sheesh. The BMW, baby. My man smoking a black and mild, chilling. Let's give her some rest for him. Woo, look at that, all smiles, man, all smiles, dog. My man. We are headed to the BMW dealership because there's been two things I need to get fixed. It hasn't been all peaches and cream when it comes to owning this bike, but that's with any bike, honestly. There's always been a little something, and that's honestly with anything in life. Nothing's ever gonna go perfect. And as long as you understand that and can adapt, that's all that matters, man. Then you'll be good. Woo, listen to that. Ooh. Ooh, okay, a little Alfa Romeo wants to play. My guy. Let's see you, baby. So the first thing is that the tumbler for the key. Ooh, you don't want no smoke, boy. You don't want no smoke, my G. But anyways, the tumbler for the key to take the rear passenger cowl off fell off the bike. That rear cowl has not been taken off since we did the first service on this bike. And I know it wasn't Ben that messed it up, so I think whoever installed it from the factory was maybe just being a little lazy and didn't put it in there properly or didn't screw it in. I don't know. But it's missing. And I found that out a very unfortunate way. I was actually in Atlanta and I went to a friend's place to do the daytime running light mod on this bike, which, if you don't know, the daytime running light mod allows you during the day to turn off your headlights, and like on the BMW cars, you just see the halo of the light. It looks really sick. So think of like a Lamborghini or an Audi or something like that, where the headlights just look pissed off, where you can just see like the LED ring. This bike has that technology already in it. You just have to buy a little module and plug said module into a little connector that's under the rear seat cowl. And I rode to this friend's place and we went to take the rear seat cowl off, and of course it was missing. Which I was like, tight. Would be my luck, man. With BMW, I don't know why you wouldn't just go ahead and turn that on all the bikes, because it's already on the bike. Like when you do it, the light pops up here. It has a automatic headlight light already installed on the bike. So the technology is already on here, and so's the sensor. It's just not turned on via the ECU. So that module does it, which is really cool. I'm super excited to do that because this bike, like I said, just looks pissed off with that. But yeah, so I rode all the way over to that friend's place and we couldn't do it. So I was kind of a little upset about that, not gonna lie to you guys, because this is a $40,000 bike. So when you pay that kind of money for a motorcycle, you just expect certain things to not happen. But like I said, I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. As long as they make it right, it should be something that's covered under warranty. I hope so, at least. But we're gonna find out. If your bike doesn't make you feel like a little kid again, man, then you bought the wrong bike, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure BMW is pretty good about their warranties on stuff, especially when it comes to bikes of this caliber. Now the second thing is the mirror block-off plates. And I know I've seen all the comments about putting the block-offs on here, and I agree. I think it would look better with the block-offs on. And the first set we ordered, and it's not from this dealership, let me clarify, it's not from Eurocycles, it's in another dealership on the other side of the country where my parts guy is located. We ordered them, and then they came in and someone else sold them. The parts manager wasn't there that day, and so he didn't know. They came in and someone else just happened to buy the block-offs that I ordered and waited 6 to 8 weeks for. They take forever to get here. Just my luck. So whoever has my block-off plates, you're welcome. I'm glad you didn't have to wait like me. And we are here, baby. Eurocycles in Tampa Bay. There's Alex, the manager, out here chilling. I haven't been here since the meetup, man. This is kind of wild. Dude, that monster looks sick. That thing looks sick. What's going on, man? Good to see you again, man.
How you doing, brother? Good, man. Good. Nice to see you.
How's it going, man?
Nice to meet you as well. How you doing?
Good, man. What's your name?
You're Dylan?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Oh, heck yeah, man.
Follow you and all the fun stuff on YouTube.
Oh, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. You're going to be on the video, man. So say what's up.
We're all good.
Now y'all can really appreciate the carbon because we got her in the sunlight. Sheesh. Oh, that thing is sick, baby. Especially like the little details. This is your first time seeing? No, y'all sold one, right?
I've seen one before. I haven't seen yours.
Okay, yeah, this is her, man. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. You're a Ducati guy, and look, he's appreciating the Beamer.
I'm a fast bike guy.
There we go. All right, I like that, man. I like that. We'll get her on the track soon.
Yeah.
I'm sure Alex is still gonna get me on his ducks, but
Gorgeous. You know, I talked to the engineers about this bike in Germany.
Yeah.
Because of the aero package that they changed and the ducts and everything, they were able to increase the top speed to almost 221 miles an hour.
Really?
Almost all on aerodynamics.
You would think with the bigger wings, though, like it wouldn't be able to go faster top speed.
Yeah, it creates more of a slip, so the bike just slips through the air a lot better.
Oh, wow.
Not as much drag that circles behind it.
Dang, I didn't even think about that.
Yeah, and you know the motor is relatively similar to last year's, where it still has about 210, 212 for the tune, but it's a monster.
Hey, let's go, man. We need to test that one day, man. We need to find a big, long runway, though.
I'll go.
There we go. But yeah, so we're here at Eurocycles, and we might get on a bike today, but that'll be a different video. I'm not gonna lie, I'm itching to get on this. If you guys want to see a review on the Monster, let me know. But I'm super excited to be down here because, like I said, this will give me access to all of this stuff over here, man. And they've got a lot of cool stuff in stock and even more stuff inside, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. Maybe we should even get on the Ducati here. I think that's one of the 900s. Little F8 50 action. Dude, that thing looks sick, man. All right. I keep getting distracted. So yeah, let me show y'all real quick. So the tumbler out of here is gone. So yeah, it was a little ridiculous. I was not gonna lie, I was kind of upset about that when it happened, but it is what it is. Second thing, these block offs. Whoever got my block off plates, you're welcome. We ordered a second set. Somehow they forgot to order the screws. So I'm tired of just messing with that dealership. We're gonna order them here Hopefully they get here before an event we have going on, but I'll keep you guys updated. Yo, y'all, look at this gold piece. This is my first time seeing one in person. Look at the sparkle in that paint. Holy cow, the depth of this carbon is nuts. Oh man, not gonna lie, I am kind of thinking about it because it is very expensive, but thankfully it is a limited edition one. So these should hold their value pretty well if you try and resell it. That's so sick. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm really thinking about this. This reminds me of my carbon iridium one that has that just gloss paint. Oh man, we can definitely work on that price some. But yeah, y'all let me know. For what year, what plate, where's this from? You're like, what? We got Desmo Sedici back here, man. Look at the exhaust coming out the tailpipe, carbon on there. This bike, crazy part, is still going for like, both at 100 grand. That's, I thought they were like 80, 90. That is wild.
Low miles, man. Original tires, original everything.
Wow. Tampa's got some hidden gems, man. I have Bo here. Bo's the only one I'm gonna let work on the Beamer. Oh yeah, we got the old and the new. Dang. Oh yeah, that's a shot right there. That's pretty cool. Y'all comment down below which you like more. You like the older one, the older style, or you like the newer style? What do you like more?
Newer, bro.
Yay, let's go.
It's like so much more aggressive.
Yeah, and I like that you can really tell the difference between this and the S1K now. Like you see this and you immediately.
Yeah, now there's a
more of a distinction. Unless you know BMWs, you're not gonna know that's the M every time you see it. But yeah, now you for sure know. But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it looks sick side to side. What's going on, man? How you doing? Good to see you, man. Heck yeah. Yeah, that is lovely.
Tell me I can pass this one out.
Where do you got it on? You ain't passing bro.
Shit.
I'm gonna regret saying that. I'm not gonna go out when Bo's out. Let me just say that. I'm gonna avoid Bo. Bo's out, I'm not going.
Smart. Not coming out anymore.
Wait, what happened?
Well, I got this one in, but I'm saying she's not coming out anymore. It's staying in.
Yeah.
So she's locked.
Okay. We got it on camera. Thankfully, they had one in stock. Yeah, that was quick. That was literally like 2 minutes.
Done.
Let's go. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Eurocycles, man. Tampa Bay. Look at that. Quick, easy service. But like I said, if y'all see anything else out here that you think I should get on, let me know. Also, kind of want to get on this Tuono too. This V4 factory Tuono. We'll do that. And what the heck is this? I don't know what that is. It looks cool. This Indian is absolutely beautiful. I love this matte paint. It reminds me of the R1 that I had when I started the channel. The OGs of the OGs. Remember that. But yeah, I definitely want to probably try and take that out. I've wanted to ride an older gen S1K, so I'll probably take that out. I really want to take this Rocket 3 out as well. And then, I'm trying to think of anything else. This B triple, Diavel, and Monster. So we got some work to do. I'm not going to do it today because it is currently 4:40, so traffic isn't going to be the greatest. But yeah, we'll come back another day and we'll do all that.
Woo! Man, once again, shout out to the guys here at Tampa Bay Motos, man. They really, they just took care of your boy. But all right, we need to get back home because we got a date tonight. Ugh. Woo! Yes, sir, Luna. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I spent way too much money. Oh man, way too much money. I bought a new helmet because the helmet I wear on my H2, a green helmet, they don't really make a lot of green helmets. So I found a greenish kind of pista that was on sale, and then I also get an employee discount on them. So I bought one of those. I bought new pads for my Iridium helmet because they're getting kind of gross. The helmet's like 2 or 3 years old, so those pads need to be swapped out. The block-off plates I had to buy, thankfully those will be here in about 4 weeks. And then the tumbler they took care of, so we're good there. Also need to buy a new chain and sprocket kit for the R1M and a few other little things. to get her lined up. Man, owning these toys is amazing, but definitely not a cheap hobby at all, man. And I'm not the type of person that likes spending money. I actually hate spending money. But when it comes to bike parts, for some reason, I'm just such a sucker. I gotta be better about that, but it's all good. Always tell people, invest your money and then spend the remaining on the things that make you happy. So for me, it's bikes. We're gonna be doing a lot of events over there this year. We already got some track days coming up. We got Jennings. We got one I can't say, but it's gonna be freaking huge. It's been a dream track that I've wanted to ride on for a while. We got that one, we got Roebling, and then we also got Barber again. So this season's gonna be insane. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good year, man. Woo! Talk to him, Mona. Talk to him, girl. Can we get Mona to shoot some flames for us? A little bit and my eardrums are done. I know I just pissed someone off. That's all I got for y'all. We're not gonna make it to bike night tonight on St. Pete because I got like I said, I got a date. I know y'all really enjoyed that video, but we'll get out tomorrow and shoot some videos of the dealership. And then I got a fun one planned for this weekend. So if you're not subscribed, make sure hit that subscribe button. Join the FastLaneD gang, babe. Hey. We're on the road to 1 mil. This year, 2024, man. This is the year. I'm gonna do everything in my power to make it happen. As always, work hard, be consistent. You can do anything you want in life. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Mona, your boy, we out. Peace.